best free project management software. When project work starts slipping, the real problem is usually visibility, not effort. The comparison keeps the focus on free project management software that makes deadlines, ownership, boards, notes, and workflows easier to see. Find the bottleneck before you open an app. They open 5 websites, look at features, create accounts, test a few dashboards, and then forget which one was supposed to solve the problem. Does everyone need a simple visual board? Do projects need documents, notes, and decisions in the same place? Because the best free project management software is not the most powerful one. It is the one your team will use after the first week. Trello. See the work move. Trello is still one of the easiest free tools to understand quickly. It works well for content calendars, small client projects, simple team workflows, hiring pipelines, or personal planning. The reason Trello remains useful is that it does not ask people to learn too much before they can participate. The limit appears when the project becomes more layered. If you need advanced reporting, complex dependencies, detailed workload planning, or several connected workflows, Trello can start to feel light. But for visual clarity and fast adoption, it is one of the safest places to begin. ClickUp, more room, more setup. ClickUp is better when you want one workspace that can handle more than basic task tracking. That makes it attractive if you want a free project management tool that can grow with your work. ClickUp gives you more control, and that means you have more choices to make before everything feels clean. Spaces, folders, lists, statuses, views, templates, all of that can be useful. It can also become a distraction if your project is simple. So, ClickUp is a strong option for freelancers, creators, startups, and small teams that want flexibility and do not mind spending time setting things up properly. If you want something almost instant, it may feel heavier than necessary. Asana. Keep ownership clear. Asana is a good fit when the main problem is coordination. Not every project needs a highly customized system. Sometimes the real need is much simpler, knowing who owns each task, when it is due, and what needs attention next. That is where Asana feels comfortable. It is cleaner than many all-in-one tools, but more structured than a basic board. For small teams, recurring tasks, personal planning, and straightforward project tracking, it gives enough structure without making the workspace feel crowded. Its free plan can be useful, but some advanced views, automations, reporting, and scaling features may depend on the plan and can change over time. So use Asana is this. Choose it when clarity matters more than customization. It is not trying to be everything at once. Notion. Keep the context beside the task. Notion is different because it is not only a task manager. It is also a place for notes, documents, databases, briefs, checklists, meeting summaries, and planning pages. It helps when the work is not just complete this task. For example, a content team might need ideas, scripts, publishing notes, thumbnails, research, deadlines, and status tracking in one place. The risk is that Notion depends heavily on how you organize it. A clear setup can feel powerful and flexible. So Notion is best for people who like building their own system, not for teams that want a strict project management structure ready from the first minute. When Airtable or Monday.com actually fit, Airtable is worth considering when your project behaves more like a database than a checklist. If you are tracking content, inventories, assets, clients, events, production stages, or anything with custom fields, Airtable can be useful, but for simple task management, it may feel less direct than Trello, Asana, or ClickUp. It can handle small teams that want clear boards and a friendly interface without building everything from scratch. They can be excellent in the right scenario, but they are not always the best first choice for someone who just wants to manage tasks for free. Make the bottleneck your shortlist. Here is the cleanest way to decide. If you want the easiest visual board, start with Trello. If you want more control and room to grow, look at ClickUp. If you need clear ownership and deadlines, Asana is a strong option. If your projects need notes, documents, and flexible planning, Notion makes sense. If your work is built around structured data, Airtable is worth a look. And if you want something polished for a small workflow, Monday.com can be considered. Before you commit, check the current free plan limits inside each platform, because features, seats, storage, automations, and restrictions can change.